Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Taurus, April 20 to May 20. Today is May 20, 2024, the last day of Taurus time, Monday. When we talk about the earth, the surface, we talk about energies coming from Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Taurus, being the fixed sign of earth, is the hardened earth, while Virgo is somewhat soft or somewhat not hard yet. Capricorn is also hard. When we talk about horoscope for the day, we talk about how resilient you will be if you are to be overcome or you are being dominated. Sometimes let God let be. Other people want to dominate us, nor within you. We do not agree. But if he or she is your boss, then how could you refuse? But if it is otherwise, then you must take the rule, what is best to be done. What we are talking about here is not only responsibility, but your duty to do as such. You are obliged to do these things, then do them. Because this is now your duties and obligations. Ang araw po natin ngayon ay araw ng Lunes, Mayo 2024. May kinalaman sa kahalagahan ng iyong ginagawa sa ngayon, na ang Taurus ay ang matigas o ang fixed earth. Ang Virgo ay ang soft earth, at ang Capricorn ay somewhat hard earth. So ito na yung pinaka-ultimatum na lugar na kung saan ang mga gusto mo mangyari ay dapat mangyari. Dapat mong ipagpilit o ipagpilitan ang dapat mong mangyari. Subalit kung hindi ikaw ang boss, susunod ka. At hintayin mo ang pagkakataon na ikaw ang maging boss. Dahil kung siya ang boss, kaya gustuhin mo man siya o hindi, kailangan mong sundin at tuparin ang gusto niya mangyari.